当前你看这段视频是谷歌的 I/O 2026的一个主题的发布会的一个现场。今天我简单给大家介绍一下，那么这次呢，它产品的发布有哪些突破，有哪些更新，有哪些特点，以及它跟 GPT 之间的差异在哪里，到底谁更强？其实通过这段时间我自己的使用的感受来讲，我认为谷歌的产品它已经是要略输或者略弱于 GPT 的，无论是在它的模型还有自然语言的理解上面。对，尤其是在这个纹身图，它总是还是会有很强的一个 AI 味，还有一个它有些时候不怎么听话，怎么听你的这个指令。比如说有些时候我们让它这个文字的标题是中文，它始终有些时候会给的是英文，而且那种塑料感还是非常强烈，非常明显。在早前我觉得他们两个还不相上下，但是至少到今年过完年后到现在，我觉得始终它好像有点对不上 GPT 的感觉，而且感觉会非常的吃力。好了，那我们闲言小叙，我们就直接来给大家讲它这次更新的有几个点。第一个点就是核心的 AI 的模型的一个更新。它这个模型第一个更新的方面就是新的模型它的更具备强大的一个多模态的一个能力，也就是能够处理这种长文本包括图像视频的输入，并能够去实现自然的视频的编辑和理解。第二个方面是专门的 3.5 Flash 新一代的这个模型在编程和实质的使用价值上面有一个明显的一个提升，也就是它变得更便宜了，更实惠了，并且它输出的速度比原来要快很多。第三个就是个人的 AI 的代理，它可以在云端这个就是保存全天候的保存，就保存7天以上，为你去运行这种复杂的一个任务。一些复杂任务可能有些时候要等，那有些时候你可以提前给它布置任务它就可以了。比如说去管理你的行程，管理你的日程，整理你的文档，对吧？第四个方面就是全新的一个桌面应用，它就是能够去构建代理优先的一个体验，支持复杂的多代理的一个协同的一个工作。对，这是它几个核心的点。第二个方面，在搜索与生产工具上面，它通过对话式的重构，比如说你做油管的创作的，对吧？在这个上面它其实也做了一个这个突破，不仅提供比如说总结和提示，还直接提供了这种跳转到视频相关部分内容的一个，比如说你看到哪个部分你有问题你就直接可以在这里去进行一个追问，大概是这么个意思。这个是主要是真的是做视频创作的，或者说对一个优化。对，第二个方面允许用户通过语言去进行大脑的存储的储，对，让 AI 自动去起草文档、整理排版，并且去提取必要的一些信息。在搜索方面，它也与 AI 的搜索去进行了优化或者整合。因为25年也就去年，它本来就已经进行了一个搜索方面的一个升级，但是将 AI 的这个概念去和 AI 的模型去进行了一个无缝衔接，用户可以去进行跨模态的一个搜索，比如说从图像到文件，文件到视频。那还有一个就是生成式的一个 UI， 它搜索的时候能够实时的为你去提供这个提供问题动态的一个生成的一个交互式的一个组件，这种小部件或者演示的一个图表，能够去帮助你去理解一些更复杂的概念，也就是它变得更可视化、更具象化了。它将一些比如说一些学术性的东西、概念性的东西的，它转成这种图表式的或者图标化的这种方式，方便用户去理解它当前讲的这个概念它是怎么一回事的，将文转成图标式的方式呈现给你，这样会显得更直观一点。当然呢，还有一个在通用的购物车上面比如说支持商家夸服务，比如说像油管邮箱搜索这个购物这些方面的购物的一个助手，它能够自动去帮你找这个最便宜的商品，或者跟踪这个商品的历史价格，在这个商品缺货的时候，对吧？或者说它已经补货的时候，它及时的去通知你。第三个方面，内容的凭证验证，对，也就是在安全方面，它也增强了一些辅助性的一些工具，包括说，对，它也在一些合作伙伴加入了这个水印计划，避免你的内容可能说被搬运盗窃之类的。对，在安全的方面，也是它升级的一个亮点或者一个板块。其次，硬件的创新，它推出首款音频的一个眼镜，也就是它预计是在今年的秋季可能会推出。它为了帮助它目的只在提供全天候的一个谷歌生态的一个语音的一个助手的体验，它不需要屏幕就可以实时的去完成导航、拍照、打电话等等这些操作，并且它这个产品能兼容安卓系统和苹果的系统，对，并且他们这两个系统之间能够去进行配对的。因为原来我们比如说用安卓的设备，你要去匹配苹果的设备就非常麻烦。那么它这次就是在这个上面，在这两个系统之间呢，可以无缝的衔接。硬件方面，它还有一个一套所谓的创意工具吧，它允许用户通过语言或者提示词去进行高效的一个视频的一个编辑创作。当然说除了视频以外，它还有音乐和特效的一个制作。第五个方面就是未来科学和未来的一个它所谓的一个使命，他们通过 AI 的加速了科学的一个研究，包括自动化的代码生成、假设性的提出和文献的一个整理。其次，所谓的一个叫做地球素质的一个暖身，就致力于解决森林的砍伐和粮食安全等问题在这个方面的它也做了一个升级，或者做了一个有突破性的这么一个动作。其次就是药物的研发，他们正在利用他们自身的模型加速了新药研发，或者说或者新药研发的速度。这个目标是攻克癌症以及免疫系统的一些疾病的等重大健康的一个突破或者挑战。所以简单总结一下，谷歌正在进入一个所谓的探索代理的一个时代未来AI 它不再是一个被动的回答问题，而是主动的去理解你的意图，管理你的数字生活，并且 成为你工作和生活科学探索当中的一个助手。谷歌和 GPT 就是 OpenAI， 我们到底怎么去选？那实际上这个我们就要搞清楚几个点。第一个对他们各自擅长的领域，以及他们核心的卖点，以及包括使用场景。那么擅长的领域，你比如像谷歌的专门，它只是在解释趋势以及实时的搜索生态自动化，这是它的一个优势或者是强项。另外它一个对实时的代理，这个代理的能力它可能比这个 GPT 要强一点。它适用于比如说集成于谷歌的生态需要的就是跨应用的一个自动化的一个用户。你选择选择谷歌的，因为它这个生态实际上是比较完整，而且它已经形成了一个自己的闭环。那如果说你是需要使用的需要强逻辑、复杂的编程、结构化的一个推理，就所谓的深度推理 ，GPT 它可能要略强一点。如果说要是做这种逻辑推理、数学的一些运算，以及需要一些严谨的一些推理的任务，那 GPT 它可能是它的一个优势。当然说，那我们之前做过的一些横向测评，比如说像这个叫做生图，你要去写一些这个不是特别长的一些文章之类的，在这些方面的写作的，或者在这些方面的应用，那实际上它 GPT 我觉得说它还是要它更容易理解你的意思对，是它的一个优势，这个可能是大致一个意思或者方向。因为我们在实质应用的时候，只是可能说多个工具可能结合起来使用，它是一个常态。因为取长补短，任何一个工具或者任何一个模型，它有它的优点，就有它的一些弊端或者缺点。对，那实际上我们在工作学习或者说生活当中在用的时候，还是要结合起来去用。因为目前就是说哪一家它的综合能力就会特别的全面或者特别的强，这个很少。你比如像国内豆包的，它就是这个万金油，那实际上你说它在哪方面都不过特别出色，但是你只能说它能用。对，所以最后就有这么一个局面。所以在当前，我觉得大家在使用的时候，你觉得哪个你用起来舒服就用哪个的。你觉得哪个在你的工作学习当中，你觉得说它符合你的胃口，你觉得它能够去更契合你要的那个点，那你就选择谁就可以了。对，所以说我们虽然说我这样讲横向测评，我们不是说一定要去比一个高低上下，而是说，对，我们要知道到底谁在哪方面这个有它的一个优势，对，我们在使用的时候才能够得心应手。所以这个我还是那个观点，自己一定要去使用，对，你自己使用以后的，你会有一个自己的一个感受，你会有一个自己的一个判断。但我说的这个观点呢，仅代表我的一家之言，对，仅仅是我自己的一个感受或者我自己的一个评判的一个标准。对，但更多大家自己可以使用完以后，也可以在评论区大家一起交流和探讨，好吧？今天分享就到这里。那最后我们来看一下，对官方发布的这个过程当中，他们是怎么去解释这么一个，对他们推出了哪些功能的，对，有哪些突破，好吧？那么这个我们就讲到这里。如果大家觉得还有所帮助，记得对点赞、关注、转发、收藏。我们下次再见。好。
Hello everyone watching from around the world. Recently, Maps got its biggest upgrade in a decade, including a new feature called Ask Maps. People are using it to ask more complex and much longer questions. Here's a real query from a parent. My kid just fell into the duck pond, and the wedding starts in 30 minutes. Where can I walk and buy a new dress? I'd like to hear how that turned out. We're also bringing this conversation AI to 2 more products. First, Ask YouTube. People come to YouTube every day to ask a lot of questions. It's a lot of great videos. Sometimes it's hard to know where to start. Ask YouTube entirely imagines experience. Say you want to teach your 3-year-old how to ride a pedal bike, and they already know how to ride a balance bike. Just ask YouTube. You'll see a couple of differences in results. The information is digestible and easy to navigate. You get an overview and helpful tips. You will see videos that best match your interests. So if you want to try a specific method of teaching, you can go deeper there. And best of all, it jumps right to the part of the video most relevant for you. It remembers the context, so you can follow up with questions like, should I buy one with hand brakes or pedal brakes? Making it an ongoing conversation. It even lays out the information in a table, so it's easy to compare. We're starting to test Ask YouTube now, and it'll roll out broadly in the US this summer. With Docs Live, you can just verbally break down whatever's on your mind and let Gemini do the rest. Let's see in action with the demo from our product team. This is all in real time, not spread out.
All right, let's try this out. So I just remembered I'm doing an online talk for my high school career day tomorrow. I used to have some talking points to explain what I do for a living as a software engineer, but I'm not really sure where to start. Oh, actually, can you just pull my resume from Drive? Although that might be boring. Maybe you can come up with some funny analogies so it'll be more of an engaging talk for the students. Oh, and also, I think the school sent me an email. I think the subject is something like career day logistics. Maybe just grab the details from there, throw them on the top of the doc so I know where to go and what time to get there. Let's just update those requirements and turn straight to a draft. This is cool, but it's a little dense. Maybe format the analogies as a table so it's a little easier for me to scan. And also add a note to tell the story about my brother inspiring me to become a software engineer. Sort of the top of my doc and bullet so I don't miss it. That looks great.
In the future, you'll be able to create new docs and edit them directly all with your voice. Docs Live is rolling out for Pro and Ultra subscribers this summer, and the same powerful voice capabilities will come to Gmail and Google Keep then too.
I'm excited to announce Gemini Omni. A new model that can create anything from any input. It combines Gemini's intelligence with the best of our generative media models for a new level of well-understanding multimodality and editing. Models like Theo, Nanophenon, and Genie are able to create extremely realistic videos, images, and interactive simulations. Although not perfect, they already demonstrate some impressive notions of intuitive physics. And with Omni, we've now made even more progress. It's a step change in simulating things like kinetic energy and gravity. Previous systems would have found these concepts difficult. Gemini's world knowledge and reasoning really shine in Omni. It can translate complex ideas into highly accurate videos. So for example, you can give it a simple prompt like make a claymation explainer of protein folding and get this.
Proteins start as chains of amino acids. They fold into patterns like the alpha helix, and flat sections called beta sheets, forming a perfect three-dimensional shape.
But the initial generation is just the start. The creative process is rarely a single step. It's usually iterative. Just like Nanophenon redefined image editing, Omni gives you a more natural way to edit video with conversational language. What's really cool is you can give it your own videos, for example this selfie, and change reality in a really fun way. You can easily adjust the details and style, or even add elements. And the whole scene morphs into a reflection of new idea. We are now going a step further and adding content credentials verification across products. This will show you if the origin of the content was AI or a camera, and it's been edited with generative AI tools. In this example, Gemini can tell this photo was captured with a Pixel camera and then edited with Google Photos. We want more people to have easy access to these tools, so we are expanding both sync ID and content credentials verification to search in Chrome. You can simply search the search or right-click in Chrome and ask what's generated with AI, and you'll get a clear response along with other helpful context. For example, this image was making the rounds on social media last year. It's obviously fake, I don't eat hamburgers. It might not be as clear to everyone else. That's where these tools can be really useful. Of course, this only works at scale if more partners decide to watermark their own AI-generated content. NVIDIA signed on to sync ID last year, and today I'm thrilled to announce that OpenAI, Kakao, and 11 Labs are adopting sync ID too. And today I'm excited to introduce Gemini 3.5 Flash, our first in a series of models combining frontier intelligence with action. 2 things I will highlight. First, when compared to 3.1 Pro, Flash is better across the board, almost all benchmarks. It's made huge progress in coding, and look at the extraordinary jump in GDP val, a benchmark that captures many real-world economically valuable tasks.
Second, 3.5 Flash is a very capable model at the frontier and comparable to the best models, but much, much faster, which is why when you look at the intelligence versus output speed, it's in a whole league of its own in the top right quadrant. When looking at output tokens per second, it's 4 times faster than other frontier models, and it's incredibly light to use.
And now, anti-gravity is massively expanding its suite of agentic capabilities, services, integrations, and product features. To start, we'll launch the full CLI experience, an anti-gravity SDK, native voice support with Gemini audio models, and integrations with many services and platforms like Android, Firebase, and Google AI Studio. All of this is available for you to try today. But most importantly, at the core is Anti-Gravity 2.0, a new standalone desktop application that delivers fully on the original glimpse of a truly agent-optimized experience. The new Anti-Gravity is unabashedly agent-first, focusing on the core agent compositions, agent-produced artifacts, and multi-agent orchestration. The Anti-Gravity agent harness, the invisible framework for Gemini to perform real-world tasks, has become much more powerful, with new core primitives such as sub-agents, hooks, and asynchronous task management. And underpinning all of this are the Gemini models, with Gemini 3.5 Flash having been co-optimized with the Anti-Gravity harness. Of course, being engineers, we were curious to see how far we can push the limits of what was possible with these agents and models. So using the new Anti-Gravity and Gemini 3.5 Flash, we asked our agents to take on what we consider to be a highly complex and impressive task: build a working operating system from scratch. But clearly, this isn't a real OS, unless I can play Doom. Let's take a peek and see if it works. Moment of truth. Amazing. Better grateful. Today, Anti-Gravity 2.0 is available globally for everyone. Gemini 3.5 Flash is available for everyone today across our products and APIs. We're also excited for 3.5 Pro. You're using it internally. It's showing great improvements. I know you can't wait to get your hands on it. Give us until next month to get it to you. Introducing Gemini Spark. It's your personal AI agent that helps you navigate your digital life, taking action on your behalf and under your direction. It runs on dedicated virtual machines on Google Cloud, and it's 24/7. And yes, you can close your laptop. It's powered by Gemini 3.5 and the Google Anti-Gravity harness, which allows it to perform long-running tasks easily in the background. Spark will integrate seamlessly with tools, starting with our own, and in the coming weeks with third-party tools through MCP. And you can work with Spark however it's most convenient, in the Gemini app, or soon through email and chat. So watch this. Start a few threads for me. The first one, find out the upcoming meetings with Sundar and turn them all hot pink so I don't miss them. The second one, last night I met our neighbor John, write a note to him and his family, invite them to our block party because they were on our list originally. The third one, create a document with the top things my wife and I need to do for the kids before the end of the school year. Categorize it by deadline and priority, make it easy to digest. I don't want to miss anything. All right, so we'll send that in. You can see at the speed of my voice, it's taking that one task and it will capture all of that context as fast as I can talk. It starts out as a single thread here, and in the background, it's actually going to go through and break those down into individual tasks. Now, I can just put my phone away and get on with my day, and Spark works in the background for me. We'll check in later to see how it's doing. Because we're prioritizing safety, we're rolling out Gemini Spark deliberately to trusted testers this week and as a beta for US Google AI Ultra subscribers next week. We want this new type of help to be in as many hands as possible. So to do that, we're introducing a new Ultra plan for $100 a month. And for those of you that need maximum limits, we're dropping the price for our top tier Ultra plan from $250 a month to $200 a month. And there's so much more to come. Later this summer, Gemini Spark will operate directly within Chrome, acting as your agentic browser across the web. It can take action on your tasks under your direction. We're also building a dedicated home base for your agents on your phone, Android Halo, which is coming later this year.
I'm excited to announce we're launching a brand new intelligent search box. This new search box is one of the most powerful AI tools right at your fingertips. And you can ask across modalities with text, images, files, videos, and search reasons across them all. Now, this is the biggest upgrade to our iconic search box since its debut over 25 years ago, and it's starting to roll out today. Next, we're making it even easier to continue the conversation search, bringing AI overviews and AI mode into one seamless AI search experience. So you can flow effortlessly from your question to your response on the main search result page to follow-ups in AI mode. And your context stays with you. As your conversation gets deeper, your links and your sources get even more relevant to what you might want to explore. So you can continue to get the best of AI and the best of the web. And I'm excited to share this new seamless AI search experience live today across desktop and mobile, worldwide. We're entering the era of search agents. Now to start, you can set information agents to work for you 24/7 in the background. They can find you exactly what you need, exactly when you need it, and help you take action. You can spin up multiple agents and search simultaneously to get updated and make progress on all those things that matter to you. And this will work with and alongside Gemini Spark to help you get more done. Now, let's say you're partner hunting. You can do a total range of what you're looking for, with all your criteria, like location and natural light and availability. And your agent will continuously scan the entire web across sites, social, and forums. Or if you're a sneaker fan, you can just ask to update when any of your favorite athletes announce new collabs or drops. And it monitors everything from blogs to our shopping graph, so you don't miss out. Now you'll be able to put information agents to work for you this summer. Just ask search to keep you updated on whatever you want to know.
We're bringing anti-gravity and agentic coding capabilities of Gemini 3.5 Flash right into search. So search can build you the ideal format exactly for your question, completely custom on the fly. We're talking dynamic layouts, interactive widgets, entire experiences, all created just for you. This is agentic coding at the scale of search. Give you an example. Say I'm a college student trying to wrap my mind around astrophysics. I go to search now and just ask, how do black holes affect space-time? Check this out. I get this interactive visual right in the AI overview. Search now gets for a concept this complex. I need to interact with it to really understand it. But this is still kind of 101. So I'm going to follow up and say, now show me how two orbiting objects like binary black holes create gravitational waves. Search dynamically builds a brand new interactive visual in real time, completely custom for my specific question. Generative UI with anti-gravity is rolling out to search this summer for everyone, free of charge.
I'm excited to announce the Universal Cart, a truly intelligent shopping cart. It works across merchants and across services. You'll be able to add things to your cart when you're browsing search, chatting with Gemini, watching YouTube, or even reading your Gmail. The moment you add a product, your card goes to work for you in the background. It finds deals, looks at price drop, gives you insights on the price history, and alerts you when something comes back in stock. It all runs on our Gemini models, so your card gets even smarter as the models improve. So just think of it as shopping with superpowers. I'm excited to announce that we're rolling out the Universal Cart in the US across search and the Gemini app this summer with YouTube and Gmail to follow. Today, I'm excited to announce that we've completely redesigned the Gemini experience from the ground up. From the moment you open it, we've greeted you with a stunning new design language we call Neural Expressive. We've added fluid animations, vibrant colors, new topography, haptic feedback throughout the app. But we all know that good design isn't just about how it looks. Good design is about how it works. So we've evolved the entire experience. We've made it easier to discover and generate those gorgeous images, videos, and music with built-in templates that you can easily remix. And we've completely transformed the Gemini Live experience. It now opens up immediately and inline. And soon, you'll be able to pick a regional dialect that resonates with you.
You've got a right good mix of different accents falando like this one from Liverpool.
Mari, para, deixa eu rádio e Gemini, o meta nem para esquecer. Já se para ali.
Meu irmão, todo brasileiro sabe que o português aqui do Rio é bem diferente.
Neural Expressive is rolling out globally on Android, iOS, and the web starting right now. Gemini Omni is coming right into the Gemini app for paid subscribers today. It's going to let you bring your ideas to life using any combination of text, images, and video inputs. And as I've been using it, it feels like the nano banana for video moment is here. It's never been so easy to create and edit videos. Let's look how this plays out in the real world. I want to meet Sashu. She's working on a new song and she wants to create a quick video teaser. So she shares the raw video. She adds reference visuals to it. And now this is the coolest part. She can transform the style of her video. Maybe even switch the camera angle to a 360-degree shot. And Gemini puts it all together for her. Let's take a look at what it looks like. All done with Gemini. Google AI Plus, Pro, and Ultra subscribers around the world can try Gemini Omni today, right in the app. The third update today is about how agents are coming to Gemini. This is a big shift for Gemini because agents don't just answer questions, they proactively work on your behalf. And to show you what this means, I want to introduce one of our newest out-of-the-box agents called the Daily Brief. It's a personalized digest that's designed to be your first stop every morning. Here's how it works. You can see here that it's synthesizing information from across my inbox, my calendar, my tasks. It's finding the most important things for me to be aware of. And I totally forget these things, like that returning that book. It's not just summarizing the data though, it's organizing it by topic. It's even suggesting the next step. And with this travel info, I can just take the next step right in line. All of it is super concise in this morning digest that's built for skimming. And I can't wait for you to try it out. The Daily Brief is rolling out today also to Google AI Plus, Pro, and Ultra subscribers starting right here in the US. You'll remember at the beginning of the show, we said a few fast stops, so let's go check in on them, see how they've completed. This is our school year planning checklist, and I asked them to create a doc of all the things I didn't want to forget between now and the end of the year. And so I'll open this one up. And what's amazing about it is it takes advantage of all the Google Docs formatting. So I can immediately click in and see the checklist here for our various kids all subdivided like this, and easily to go one by one. The date, the activity, the color coding, all integrated in one spot. Pretty incredible how much time this can save. Now, I know I've promised just 3 updates, but we have one more. Last month, we dropped the Gemini app for macOS. Here it is on the screen. It's gorgeous. This was a small team that built this native app from scratch using anti-gravity. They did over 100 features in less than 100 days. Now, 2 weeks ago, we were hacking on the Mac app and we came up with something cool, and we wanted to sneak it into the show. You want to see it live? All right. So what you can do with this on Gemini on macOS is actually take a look at a bunch of documents like this. You'll be able to select them all, and then long press the function key and just dictate the email to the kennel. So it works something like this. Hi there, I need to do a short boarding stay for my 2 dogs, Lucy and Hank, starting this Thursday. Well, actually, it's this Friday. They've never stayed with you before, but they're very social dogs. And also, can you turn these files into a table with their details, allergies, recent vaccines, and make this email sound friendly so we make a good first impression? All right, I'm going to release the function key. You can see Gemini speaking at the bottom here on this MacBook. What it's done is because I've selected those files in Finder, using its multimodal understanding, it can go through the PDF, it can go through these images of their invoices, and it's all controlled by my voice. So it can actually take all that complex information. Look at that, there it is. It's got a table in line. It's also so amazing because it corrects, remember I said Thursday, no, scratch that Friday, and it picks up that and automatically cleans up my input. This is the power of what Gemini can do using your voice. These new voice capabilities and Gemini Spark will be coming to the Mac app this summer as well.
Introducing Google Pics, a new product in Google Workspace. Pics is our image creation and editing tool that helps you create just about anything, from party flyers to infographics, with the creative controls you want. Watch how easy this is. You start with a base image of the canvas, and what's really cool is that Pics understands what's in your creations and how the objects work together. You can hover over an element and click to remove it, or you can resize an object to fit the frame. Once the layout is set, you can add or edit text and translate all of it with just a few clicks. Pretty cool. Every output from our creative tools, including Pics, is watermarked with Sync ID, and Pics is rolling out this summer. Take a look at this raw footage. I love how this person is walking, his presence, his pacing. Let's not change any of that. With a simple prompt and style reference, Omni allows us to transform the environment, add visual effects, and any other element, all while preserving the original performance. And now, you can even add new characters while maintaining everything else in the scene. Next, let's look at our second big update, a new agent in Google Flow. Until today, Flow could only execute one prompt at a time. Now, your agent can take multiple actions all at once. Starting with just a single image, I can ask the agent to help me find the best camera angles for the scene. It analyzes what's happening in the image, concepts the most compelling angles, and then, boom, a single image becomes 16 unique videos. The agent can also handle large-scale edits, like transforming all of the scenes from early morning to late at night. Its understanding of context is precise. The desert sky goes completely dark, and the headlights turn on, illuminating the dust. It's a true collaborator, helping you create and edit at scale. Our next update is Flow Tools. Now you can vibe code any creative tool you can think of, right in Flow. Custom built by you for your unique creative process. Like designing video effects, hand-drawn animations, or layering text. You can start building, sharing, and remixing tools today. Google Flow Music brings the same creative control to help artists create original songs. For months, one of our teammates had a piano riff in his head. Let's listen to his original recording. It's a cool foundation, but he wanted to turn it into a demo to guide his band. So he recorded his piano in Flow Music and prompted it for an R&B direction, with a female vocal to inspire his band singer. Let's take a listen. Now this isn't his final track, but it helps his band decide what to record next. And all these new features in Google Flow and Google Flow Music are available today.
Today, I'm excited to announce that our first audio glasses will arrive this fall. They are designed to give you all-day help with Gemini that is spoken into your ear privately rather than shown on a display. And these glasses let you stay hands-free and heads-up for things like listening to music, taking photos, making calls, or tapping into your phone apps, all without reaching for your pocket. And yes, they're going to pair with both Android and iOS devices. These are the first 2 designs of a bigger collection that's coming this fall. Okay, you know what time it is now. Who's up for a live demo?
No, pulling out my phone. All I have to do now is ask, hey, can you navigate me to the place I met my friend Gianna last week?
Hey, Michelle, I've set your route to the Redwood Grove Nature Preserve for last week's hike. Want to add a stop on the way to grab your afternoon cold brew?
Yes, Gemini, I love that.
Okay, I'm starting walking navigation with a stop at Coupe Cafe. Turn around and head towards Gilgram Parkway.
With glasses, you can allow maps to further understand your context and what's in front of you, so you get detailed directions like the coffee shop is coming up on your right. Speaking of coffee, Nisha, do you want to show how Gemini Intelligence can allow you to order that cold brew up ahead?
That's a really good idea. Gemini, can you actually put my usual order in at that coffee shop you talked about?
Sure, I'll order you a nitro cold brew for pickup from Coupe Cafe on DoorDash.
So on the screen behind me, you can actually see Nisha's phone that's in her pocket. Gemini is able to launch apps like DoorDash, then click through all the different option screens automatically to order her coffee. And in a moment, it's going to be ready for Nisha's confirmation.
I have prepared your order for the nitro cold brew from Coupe Cafe. Would you like to confirm?
Yes, please, and add a tip for 20% too. Hey, Gemini, any important messages I missed?
Yes, your family group chat decided to meet for dinner at 7 today, and there is a reminder to say your daily affirmations. You are strong.
Okay, we'll do the affirmations a bit later, but why don't you add that dinner to my calendar?
Sure, I'll add an event for family dinner at 7 p.m. to your calendar, right after your team celebration.
So we saw how glasses work on your phone, but what about when they're attached to your watch to give you a glanceable display?
It's not a Google I/O without an audience selfie, but we're going to do it with a twist this time. Can everyone strike their favorite pose? Gemini, take a photo of this amazing audience, but turn it into a cartoon and add a big blip in the sky that's Google I/O 2026 light in fun colors.
Everyone try to pose. Okay, if this goes well, everyone go bananas in the audience because Nano Banana on glasses is just awesome. And just in a few seconds, you'll even see that seamless preview on her watch. Any second now, drum roll. Here we go.
AGI is now on the horizon, and it will be the most profound and impactful technology ever invented. If built right, it could propel human progress and flourishing beyond our imaginations. We're in a moment of immense promise, but also enormous responsibility. It's important that we are clear-eyed about potential challenges and use all the tools at our disposal to ensure the safety of our agentic systems and ultimately AGI itself. One area of risk that's gained a lot of attention recently is cybersecurity. Google has invested in this area for decades, and we're bringing our frontier capabilities and deep expertise to help secure the world's code bases. We have tools like our code security agent CodeMender, which automatically finds and fixes critical software vulnerabilities. Today, we're inviting a select group of experts to test a new CodeMender API, and we'll be launching it more broadly soon. I'm excited to announce Gemini for Science, which brings together a number of powerful AI tools to help accelerate research. Gemini can already assist in solving complex problems, but our new lab prototypes streamline daily scientific tasks, whether it's staying on top of new published papers, transforming research goals into usable code, or generating new hypotheses. Another powerful tool for science is simulation. AI simulations are going to be critical for understanding and predicting dynamic systems that are simply too complex to model directly today. An amazing example of this is Alpha Earth Foundations. It's the closest thing we have to a digital twin of the planet that can help address problems like deforestation and food security. I've always believed the number one application of AI should be to improve human health. At Isomorphic Labs, we're modeling molecular interactions to massively accelerate the development of new medicines, supported by leading industry partners. We're now in preclinical stage with multiple projects, including potential treatments for immune disorders and cancer. Our mission is to reimagine the drug discovery process with the goal of one day solving all disease. Something that would have seemed impossible just a few years ago, but I truly believe is now within reach. Google's cutting-edge research and products will help unlock AGI's incredible potential for the benefit of the entire world. When we look back at this time, I think we'll realize that we were standing in the foothills of the singularity. It will be a profound moment for humanity. This technology will be a force multiplier for human ingenuity and usher in a new golden age of scientific discovery and progress, improving the lives of everyone, everywhere. We look forward to building the future with all of you. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of Google I/O.